question has been came last year, right? So we have to see the both topics. Okay. So our fourth unit is about planning, right? It's about all about planning. First of all, what is planning in your views? What is planning? Yes, everyone in your life, you will be having some planning. According to that plan, you will be doing some work, you will be achieving some goals, or you will putting some information. Okay, so what is planning in your views? Chat me. Yes, why we are using this planning? Yes, with plan, what we can do, without plan, how we can do. Yes, yes, make a blueprint, right? Okay. Hmm. Was about tell really. Yes. Okay, next. Yes, what is planning? So here simply we can say like a blueprint, or we can build anything, right? So we can do some planning, right? Step by step process. Or for example, if we people are planning any event, definitely we'll do some plan. What are the things we have to do? How to success? What are the things have to involve? For everything, there will be a planning. With that planning only, we are going to be achieving some success, right? So definitely before starting of your project or any events or any you people are doing any preparations for exam also, you people will be doing some planning. I have to read these many hours so that I can complete. Okay, like that you will be making it as, right? According to that, you people will be working, right? So that with this planning, what will be happening now? At last you should not be in tension. Okay, cool ga anni cool ga అయిపోవాలి. Okay, according to the plan, if you are working, definitely you can achieve to the success, okay, destination. And definitely you will be getting a profits if you people are done a planning for the project or any other things, right? Definitely there will be some things, right? So that simply we can say this planning will be providing some schedule. According to that, here everyone will be working, right? So here this planning is providing some 8 practices. Okay, so planning will be providing some 8 practices. How it will be providing practices means to control the planning activities, right? So there will be some vision reveals. Okay, what is this vision reveals? So where the project is going and why it's going there. So vision is nothing but here. Yes, vision is nothing but here some goals. Here we are setting some goals, or we are keeping some points we have to reach to that destination. Okay, like that. Okay, so whenever we people are working in any companies or any projects, definitely here we are doing some analysis, like where the project is, okay, what we are doing and how much percentage it has been completed, okay, why it is going there, okay, like this, these all things we are going to be observing, right? So that will be the visions. And release planning, so the second practice is release planning. So before releasing any product, definitely we will be keeping some roadmaps, right? So with the help of this means, it is going to be providing some roadmap to reach for your destination. Okay, so that according to that you will be releasing that particular product in time, right? So whenever releasing plan will be there means, definitely this roadmap is nothing but already we have discussed in our first unit, roadmap mastery. So in that we have discussed like whatever the things we have done for the first project, okay, whatever the things we have to do for the next project, like do's and don't do's. By seeing this all things, we can understand, yes, these are the things we can involve easily, so that time will be consumed less and we can gain more profits. Like that we are making some roadmaps to reaching for our destination, and simultaneously we have to make our customer happy, right? That is the main vision. And next, the planning game. Okay, planning game means here whenever we people are working for any project, definitely we are planning some game, like the whole team will be involving, sitting together, okay, discussing on that particular project, okay, all experienced person and freshers who are going to be working on that, okay, everyone will be involving in that, and we are creating some plans according to that. Your whole team will be achieving that, right? So the planning game is nothing but combines the expertise of whole team to create achievable plans, right? So here they are going to be combining everyone, expertise, team members who are working on that particular project by to achieve that plans, whatever the plan and whatever the schedule they have done to achieve that, right? So for that, what are the things they have to do? They will be discussing, right? What are the things they have to involve? They will be doing these all things, right? And next, risk management. So what is this risk management? Definitely, whenever we people are working on any project or conducting any event, definitely there are some risk, right? So risk lendi edi ledu, right? Definitely there will be some risk. So whenever the risk will be coming, we have to means we have to manage them, okay, what are the steps we have to take, okay, how to solve that problem, what are the commitments for that, how team will be involving, and like that, this all management should be there. So for example, కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారు, ఎంఎన్సి కంపెనీస్లో వర్క్ చేయాలి అని దే విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ డ్రీమ్స్, బట్ డ్యూ టు ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు జాబ్ రాకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారు, దే విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ సమ్ ట్రైనింగ్, ఓకే, ఫర్ 1 year or 6 months, and what they will be doing, they will be keeping some fake experience like that, and what they will be doing, they are taking their risk, okay, by learning the course, okay, by learning the course they are already they have learned that course. Now by keeping with that fake certificate, they are attending the interviews, means they will be managing, okay, whatever they have learned that subject, they are managing that interview, and finally they will be entering into the companies, how they are managing the risk, right? So like that only in projects, whenever the bugs or any issues has been raised, there will be some commitments, everyone will be involving in that, and we are going to be working on that, right? We have to manage everything. So risk management allows the team to make and meet long term commitments, right? And next, iteration planning. So what is this iteration planning now? So iteration planning means, however, okay, we can say iteration or iteration. So iteration planning, it is going to be providing like a structure, right, to the team daily activities, what to do, okay, whenever here not only we are doing one iteration, every week we are doing some iteration, adding the new changes in that and releasing the product. There will be some I1, I2, I3, like that. Weekly one time here we are going to be releasing that product by updating the changes, right? For that we have to do some structure planning, so that here every one team activities have to be involved in that, then only we can do this weekly iterations or monthly, okay, like that. And next, slag. What is the meaning of this slag now? First of all, what is the meaning of this slag? Can anyone? Slag you can see in AWS also, clouds also, right? And where you have seen? Yes, what is the meaning of this slag? Can anyone? Yes. So this slag mainly allowing the team to reliably deliver the results every iteration. So mainly here, slag means without any confusion, okay, without any delay, okay, without any problem, they have to deliver that particular products to the customers, right? Yes, within the iteration, it should be deliver the product. Okay, very good, ma'am. Okay, so without any problem, without any issues, they have to deliver some genuine products to the customer. Either they are planning that iteration for the weeklies or monthlies, okay, in that they have to they have to reliably deliver the results, okay, delivers the good results without any problems, right? So like that, the Slack will be providing the solutions, okay, by involving the team members, by involving the expertise and the experienced persons who are working on that, okay. So like that. Next, stories. Definitely, whenever we people are working on any project, definitely we have to collect the stories. These stories maybe we can collect from whom? From whom we can collect the stories? Yes, stories can be collected from. Yes, answer me. Users. Yes, very good. Users will be there. Okay, by giving their feedbacks, they will be giving their stories. Okay, by giving any feedbacks, and stakeholders, the customer who has given in project to the company. Okay, whenever we have prepared anything on that, okay, anything on that, so immediately we are sending that report to the stakeholder. What this stakeholder will be doing, he is viewing each and everything line by line and word by word, okay, everything. Then after, he will be sending that report to the developers. These developers will be working on that, right? And simultaneously, from who we will be collecting the stories? And developers also, right? Developers who are working on the projects, okay. After the release also, few persons will be working on that, okay, on that particular project, and trying to update some things, right, based on the user feedbacks, right, like that. So for example, whenever you people purchase any mobile or anything, electronic item or anything, definitely you will be checking some reviews, right? Some reviews, right? How the customer has been rate, what are the things or the words they have mentioned, right? So have you ever shopped in that Flipkart or Amazon? Shopping చేశారా ఎప్పుడైనా? Shopping చేశారా everyone? Have you seen their feedbacks and reviews? Okay, yes, yes or no? Have you seen that all things or no? Yes, so that all things are nothing but the stories, okay, that all things are nothing but the stories. Whatever the reviews, feedbacks, customer reviews, ratings, these all things will become, means according to that, here what we are doing by seeing that review is that product is good or not, okay. Okay, based on that, we are going to be selecting and taking. So what the developers will be doing, sometimes they will be focusing on that reviews also, okay, and they will be rectifying, and whatever the things they have not done properly on that, okay, again what they will be doing, in second iteration, they will be adding that all things, okay, whatever the negative things will be there, they will be adding and releasing in next iteration too, right? So like that, weekly, means here we, as we said that Slack, in that we will conducting some iteration planning, like weekly or monthly, okay. So by seeing these all things, we are adding, updating, doing the changes, okay, according to the customer need and the requirement, like that we are doing the changes in that, right? That is the stories. And next, estimating. Yes, estimating means definitely here we are going to, means enables the team to predict how long it works will take, okay. So here we are, definitely we are doing some estimations, right? So what kind of estimations we are doing, before starting our project? What kind of estimations we are doing, can you list them? Yes, what are the estimations we are doing, yes, time, very good, time, okay, time, inka, time, cost, very good, cost, okay, cost, okay, quality, okay, cost, budget, both are same. Quality is very important, okay. And still estimating, okay. Delivery means here we are including our plan also, right? Delivery, okay. So here estimations. Okay, estimation means in this we have to do some analysis, means before starting a project. Okay, what will be the cost, is that project is in our budget or not. For example, you people are conducting any events or like marriage in your home. Okay, if you people are planning a marriage for your sister, means first what you will be doing, how much dowry we have to take. Okay, how much gold we are offering. Okay, what will be the like costumes. Okay, and all things she require, or giving any land place or like that. These all estimations you people are doing, means before starting the event. Okay, before starting the event, here you will be doing all the analysis, is these all things will be reaching to our budget or not. Okay, like that you are checking, right? So based upon that, here we are doing some planning, estimating. Okay, according to that only we are offering these all things to that ఓకే సిస్టర్ మ్యారేజ్. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి అనేది ఆఫర్ చేస్తాం మన బడ్జెట్ లోపల ఉన్నది కదా. లేనిదైతే వీఆర్ నాట్ గివింగ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా థింగ్స్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్, if we are borrowing also we are getting and we are giving back to them. Okay, like that we are checking the capacity and we are doing some estimation, right? So like that for events also. And for example, another example estimation you can take, like if you are taking any product, you are unable to pay that all product amount at a time. So what you will be planning for that? What you will be planning for that? That product you are unable to pay at a time. So what you will be doing, you want that product. So definitely here what we are doing. Yes, have you understand my question? నేను ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ కొనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటున్నానమ్మా, కానీ నా దగ్గర అంత అమౌంట్ లేదు, బట్ నేను ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ కొనుక్కుంటాను. ఎలా కొనుక్కుంటాను? Yes, very good. Installments based on the EMI. So based on the EMI. So how can I check that EMI? Means based upon my salary. Okay, based on my salary I am estimating. Okay, నేను 5,000 తీయగలుగుతానా, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 తీస్తే మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయా? లైక్ దట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ some analysis for that, to pay some payment for the EMI every month, right? So in every month తీయగలుగుతానా, means according to our budget, according to our money, whatever the things are there, according to that we are going to be purchasing the product. Like that only here estimating will be enable the team to predict how long it work will take place. Okay, whenever the things or the requirements they have involved in that particular product. Have you ever seen ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రోడక్ట్ రిలీజ్ చేశారో, దిస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ guarantee or warranty for 1 or 2 years. Okay, how they are doing that estimation? If you buy a washing machine also, they will be giving some 10 years. Okay, some 10 years warranty or guarantee. Okay, means they are doing some estimation, means they are doing some prediction, means how many years that product will be worth, means how they will be estimating this all thing, how they will be predicting, means whatever the quality of the things they have involved in that particular product. Okay, whatever the quality of things they have involved in that product, whatever దాంట్లో కావాల్సినవి ఏమైనా థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవన్నీ, whatever they have to. Okay, that is a quality, means they can easily do the estimation. Okay, like that on each and everything there will be some estimation, right? If you buy any electronic products also, mobiles also, fridge also, definitely they will be giving some how long it works. Okay, how long it works. Okay, like that here we are doing some estimations on various types, not only on one thing. Here while we are developing any project, while we are involving in any in events, okay, definitely we are doing some estimation. With that estimation only we are taking the steps. Okay, we are following that process. Okay, these all things will be depend on the plan. Okay, like each and everything will be having some chain connections, right? So these are the 8 practices which are involved in planning. Whenever we are planning any event or project, okay, definitely we are going to be involving these all things in that, right? So this is the planning. Okay, so mainly what is this planning means? Here we are going to be determine the task. Okay, as we discussed, determine the task and how to perform. Okay, how to manage. Okay, these all things we are going to be involving whenever we are working on that particular software development. Okay, how that software will be working, can we manage that particular product or not? Okay, and how will be the results? Okay, these all estimations will be done, right? And second thing, here with the help of this planning we can do the better utilization of resources. Okay, better utilization of resources and optimal usage of the allotted time for the project. Okay, according to that time we are going to be planning and utilizing all the resources in that, right? So like that planning means depend upon that planning, here we are managing the things. Okay, and we are going to be working on that. Okay, that much effectively, everyone individually involving in that and getting the good effective results in this software development, right? So mainly here in this planning we are having the three objectives. Some other objectives are there. Okay, mainly we can list them. First one, roles and responsibilities. Okay, roles and responsibilities, whenever we are working on any particular project, definitely we have to assign some roles and responsibilities. Based on that only, here everything we can manage and we can involve in that, right? And second, we have to ensure, okay, we have to ensure whatever the project management or the team according to that business objectives are working or not. Okay, like that we have to ensure and we have to check these all things, right? And third, here we have to check the feasibility of the schedule and user requirements also. Yes, based on the user requirements, based on our budget, based on our time, we have to check these all feasibilities, then only we have to involve that all things in our project planning, right? Involve that all things in our project planning. And next, here we have to determine the project constraints also. Whenever we have started working, screen share చేయలేదా? So here we have to determine project constraints also, right? So other objectives and project planning, these all things we have to involve, right? So we have seen the 8 practices. Okay, 8 practices to control all the planning activities. How vision release, okay, release the planning game, and risk management, how iteration planning will be done. Okay, according to the slag, are we delivering the product reliably in that particular iteration or not? Okay, and user stories, customer stories, all stories are going to be involving in that. Estimations will be done, right? And based on that planning, here three things will be there, some objectives will be there. So first thing, we have to identify the roles and responsibilities, and next we have to ensure that project and the team works, everyone working properly or not, reaching to that objectives or not. Okay, like that. And next we are going to be checking the feasibility of the schedule and user requirements. Okay, whatever the user requirements are there, and is that everything working properly or not? Okay, within our budget or not? Okay, like that we are checking all the feasibilities. And next we are determining the project constraints. If any problem or any issues has been raised, we are able to identify in a starting stage or after the release of that product with the customer reviews. Okay, we are again working on that and we are going to be releasing as a next iteration planning, right? So this is about the planning. So this is about the planning. Whatever the things we have discussed means how we are planning, and whenever we are working on that particular projects, what are the things we are going to be involving in that. Okay, So depend upon this planning only, here we are